Guys, today I will show you how to download Jupyter Notebook in VS Code. So let's get started. First open VS Code. Let's open VS Code first. To install Jupyter Notebook in VS Code, we have to install Jupyter extension. So let's install the Jupyter extension in VS Code. Let's go to the extension. This is the extension. Let's search Jupyter here. Okay, let's search Jupyter. This is the Jupyter extension, guys. We have to install this extension to run Jupyter Notebook. Let's install this. As you can see, guys, it will automatically installing all the necessary extension for to running Jupyter Notebook. So let's install this. Let's wait. It is installing. Let's make a Jupyter file so we can run the code. Jupyter extension file. These are some extension that are installing. Let's make a Jupyter Python file. Jupyter.ipynb. This is the Jupyter file, guys. Let's okay, our extensions have installed. These are some extension that installed. Let's run this file. Print hello world. Okay, this is a simple code. Let's run this code and check is it working or not. Yeah, it's working, guys. So our Jupyter Notebook has been installed in our VS Code and it's working fine. Let's make a heading. So you can make heading by clicking on markdown, and you can add slash before heading. Okay, this is the heading, guys. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.